Hey guys, open house day is coming, and that is like the big debut. Roll out the red carpet. People are gonna come through today. So what should you expect and what should you do?
So it's the old lights, camera, action. After lights are on, the pool equipment is running. If there's fountains and things like that, background music, all of that is gonna help stimulate the buyer's senses and get them attached to your home.
That's right. And we'll be there and we'll set up as well. But just when you are leaving, if you could do those things for us, that would be fantastic because it gives us the extra time to make sure everything is done perfectly before we open the door for the rush of clients that will be coming through to buy your home.
After the open house, there's a lot of follow-up. We will get back to you as soon as possible with a brief recap of what happened, and we'll be following up with all the showings and all the agents and all the buyers that we can to find out what the feedback is and let you know.
Sure, and also towards the end of the open house, guys, I know everybody always wants to know, is it over at what time? We'll make sure to text you when everything is backed out and closed up, because if people are still flooding in, we're certainly not going to turn them away. So we'll text you, make sure that you know, hey, it's a good time to come home, everything's locked up and closed up, and you can come on home.
See you then.